Anand Raj. Hi Raj Saab, how are you? Please come this side. Please have a picture of this great hero young man.
I'm glad you could come.
Thanks for inviting me.
No, it's an honor for having you for our conversation.
Wonderful person. He brought me very straightforward. Very good, madam. আপনি ভালো ম্যাডাম? Very good. Very nice.
Thank you, sir.
Very good. Thank you very much. Long live. Oh, this is first. No. I came to NIET the other day. So you have, what is this tree? This is semul or?
No, this is Semal, sir.
Yes, this is
Semal.
Yes, this is semul.
Cotton.
It talks about what tree you should grow.
That
What
is very
tree will
helpful.
suit you? I'll send it to you. Send me a mail.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
So Wharton Institute is which place is this?
It's in Philadelphia, University
Philadelphia.
University of Pennsylvania.
Pennsylvania. It was a nice tuition.
In fact, sir, we've become with PRME, Principle of Responsible Management.
Very nice. So you must be getting faculty from Wharton or no?
We do. We've got them in the past. In fact, it's very easy to get international faculty coming in because
They are very keen to come
they're
to
very keen to
India.
come to India. And you know, it helps their research. It adds
The
to their
only
research.
problem is these fellows, they are keen to come to India, but they don't take Indians there. You know, because our manpower is so brilliant. The Indians are more brilliant than Chinese, but that is offset by our habits.
Cultural shortcomings.
Yeah.
That's a huge challenge.
Yeah, our children are very egoistic, you know, and that is because the whole society is egoistic. The parents are egoistic, the teachers are egoistic. I don't see teachers mixing with their students in any of the institutes I go. We are the teacher, they are the student. ऐसा नहीं होता ऐसा. आपकी राशि के हिसाब से, and you must plant that tree, and there is a direction. For each tree there is a direction. Just imagine. सारे पेड़ों पे सारे पक्षी नहीं बैठते, चील सारे पेड़ों पे नहीं बैठती, ओके, कौवा सब पेड़ों पे नहीं बैठता, तोता सब पेड़ों पे नहीं बैठता, and there is a beauty in it, and that is what we should derive inspiration from. आप देखिए गिलहरी सारे पेड़ों पे नहीं जाती, तो
कुछ तो है connection.
अरे साहब बहुत बड़ा कनेक्शन है. जनरल साहब, कुत्ता भी नहीं निकल सकता, बिल्ली नहीं निकल सकती, इतना जबरदस्त पेड़ होता है. करौंदा, you know बेटा?
Yeah.
The fruit is so good, nutritious. अच्छा, उसके फ्रूट को कोई खाता भी नहीं. आंवले को कोई नहीं खाता. ना बंदर खाता है, ना गिलहरी खाती है, ना तोता खाता है. Program, you know, it's the vice chancellor's prerogative.
Now what service do we have to follow?
You let family sit there. You be my friend, you know.
We do not have an extra door.
We have some. We'll get it.
No problems. You can have some more. But General Sahab, is it okay? Allowed your permission?
Sir, your orders are our.
No, not orders. I never give orders. But this is how we should do it in life. You know? He has to graduate slowly, you know, in life. Okay, and you will then remember me that they were the vice chancellor who forced you to
Sit on the. That I will anyway remember. I already started.
Yes, sir. Because in life, everything is. My God, thank you very much. Sir, thank you very much for making me meet with this great man. And I have virtually forced him to sit with me on the desk. And he says, no, program is like this. I said, I am the vice chancellor. There is no choice. He has to listen. So nice to meet you. Sir, I am very pleased. And I have heard a lot from Mr. Sharma on the route. He gave me a good tuition of IILM and he taught me everything about you people. Now you need to verify कि जो इन्होंने बोला है validated. But the first impression I had it from General Vatwa when he came to see me, I was damn impressed. I said, yes, this is the institute. You remember?
Thank you, sir. I
General
know, sir.
Saab?
You give lots of compliments.
He's a gem of a person.
Thank you, sir.
We sat down together and we had a meeting, and that time itself I understood what I'm dealing with. So when I got down there, it was validated. Yes. No, we have to do the mentoring of the young generation. Tomorrow he'll be leading big universities. He'll be the chancellor of big universities. But this is the उसमें time. जल्दी हो जाएगा, हम expedite करेंगे. So we were just, when you entered, we were just discussing about destiny and karma. So I was just telling him there is a purpose. तो वो है ना कि साहब वो बेमाता ने लिख दी और शरीर
This is my. I know.
को
It's
okay.
a role conflict.
कि होनी सो होकर रहे, अनहोनी ना होए. तो आप आराम से शांति से सोइए, होनी सो होके रहे, अनहोनी ना हो।
तो मैं उसमें एक चीज ऐड करता हूँ जो what I just told you that it is also for your good. It is not in a negative way.
बिल्कुल 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 बिल्कुल। आप हमेशा उसको नहीं ले पाते हैं, वो आपकी गलती है, आपकी वो है परेशानी।
या आप हैप्पीली नहीं ले पाते।
आपको एक उदाहरण देता हूँ मैं।
आप कॉफी आप
नहीं, मैंने ले लिया, मैंने ले
ये
लिया।
मैंने जैकेट
आपकी वेट किए बिना दृष्टता कर ली, हमने
हाँ, ये
लिया।
जैकेट निकाल दो।
मैं आपको एक एग्जांपल बताता हूँ
VC साहब का कौन?
मैडम, एक एग्जांपल बताता हूँ। अभी मैं एक इंस्टीट्यूट में गया, विच इज वन ऑफ द लीडिंग इंस्टीट्यूट्स ऑफ यूपीटीयू। तो राय साहब आप ये देखिए कि उस इंस्टीट्यूट में गया, मैं जैसे गया तो सारे बच्चे एक्साइटेड एंड जो नॉर्मली होता है वाइस चांसलर। फिर मैं बैठा था चीफ गेस्ट की चेयर पे और बगल में मेरे चेयरपर्सन बैठे थे। वन स्टूडेंट केम रनिंग एक्साइटेड एंड वो हाफता हुआ आके और मेरे बगल में बैठ गया, मुझे बचा लीजिए सर, मुझे बचा लीजिए। और 6 फुट का लड़का, everybody was impressed, chairperson, faculty, everybody, and I started chatting with him. Okay, तो उसके बाद उसके पीछे पीछे कुछ लड़के लगे हुए थे, कोई लड़कों में दंगा होगा आपस में, तो झगड़ा हो गया होगा, तो उसने सोचा कि मुझे वाइस चांसलर बचा सकता है, या पता नहीं क्या प्लानिंग थी उनकी। तो मैंने उसका कोई संज्ञान नहीं लिया, मैं बड़ा शांति से उससे बात किया। थोड़ी देर में उसको फैकल्टी वगैरह ले गए, फंक्शन हो गया, पूरा हो गया। बाद में उनके भी जो चीफ हैं वो जनरल हैं, जैसे हमारे जनरल साहब हैं ऐसे ही। तो वो बोले कि साहब सॉरी फॉर दिस थिंग। तो मैंने उनको बोला, मैंने कहा ये तो हमारा फिक्स था उससे मीटिंग, उस लड़के से पहले से ये फिक्स था कि वो लड़का इस तरह से हमें जीवन में मिलेगा और पता नहीं है वो दोबारा कब आएगा, ये सब फिक्स था। तो तो जनरल साहब ये बोल रहे थे,
उनका ग्रीवेंस आपने सॉल्व करा कि नहीं? दैट इज इंपॉर्टेंट।
नहीं, बच्चे का कोई ग्रीवेंस नहीं
अच्छा,
था,
नहीं था, okay.
वो ये
Came for protection from.
नहीं मैडम जी, क्या होता है, ये फंक्शंस होते हैं ना हर कॉलेज में, जो एनुअल फंक्शंस होते हैं, बच्चों का झगड़ा हो जाता है,
अच्छा।
तो ऐसे ही ड्रामेबाजी में टू बी इन द लाइमलाइट एंड तो उसका कोई ग्रीवेंस नहीं
I
था।
think let's hit on this level.
हाँ जी, connection with Shivira factory?
Not
Okay. और यूपी चांदनी चौक से है ना? अच्छा जी,
completely undisturbed.
yes.
No, you could have planted the so
अंजलि मैडम को पिक्चर नहीं देखा।
That's a fact.
Come. Oh, very good, very nice. From this side we'll have a picture. Come this side. I saw her pictures and I saw some of the statements, and during the route, he taught me, Mr. Professor Sharma. He taught me all about it, and he didn't charge me any tuition fee. So tuition fee भी नहीं लिया।
I can tell you that.
Madam, this is how I
I am
known
so
to
happy.
this.
I am so happy because this is what I'm getting now. The next generation is people.
WhatsApp से फोटो भेज रहे हैं।
ये जल्दी से WhatsApp since then,
I request the Honorable Vice Chancellor to light the lamp.
वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा जयति जय जय मां
शुभवरदायिनी जयति जय जय मा सरस्वती जयति वीणाधारिणी।
Sir, do I have your permission to declare the convocation open?
I am honored, madam. Please go ahead.
The convocation is open.
Give a big hand to madam.
I now invite Major General B.D. Wadhwa for the welcome address.
Yes, sir. Give a big hand to madam.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It's indeed my proud privilege today to accord a hearty welcome to our Honorable Chief Guest, Dr. R.K. Khandal, Vice Chancellor of UP Technical University, to the 5th convocation ceremony of College of Engineering and Technology, IILM Academy of Higher Learning, Greater Noida. Sir, we are honored by your presence. I'm also privileged to welcome our distinguished guests, my esteemed colleagues, and all graduating students and their family members. Ladies and gentlemen, Dr. R.K. Khandal took over as the Vice Chancellor of the UP Technical University on September the 19th, 2012. A Fellow of Royal Society of Chemistry, London, he obtained his PhD degree in Applied Chemistry from Indian School of Mines, Dhanbad, and commenced his illustrious career spanning over 3 decades from this very institution as a lecturer before taking over as a group leader of a United Nations project on pesticides formulation technology. Thereafter, he remained committed to advanced research projects and activity in India and abroad in fields of microemulsions, soil sciences, life cycle of pesticides, development of process technology based on polymers and polyelectrolytes. Dr. R.K. Khandal is an internationally reputed authority on industrial research, leading to value creation and value addition in various sectors such as food processing, nanotechnologies, and renewable energy. He has been successful in commercialization and transfer of several of his technologies, having 14 patents to his credit as on date. Recipient of many awards, both national and international, Dr. Khandal is known for his virtues as a mentor, as a teacher, as a leader, a manager, an orator, an innovator, but more than anything else, for his qualities, for his very known and pronounced qualities of head and heart. He is a visionary and an achiever of his vision. Sir, no words are enough to convey our gratitude to you for your vision, your enthusiasm, zeal, and contribution to the UP Technical University as it stands tall amongst the best in the country. For us in IILM Greater Noida, College of Engineering Technology, it has been a wonderful journey of more than a decade in the sectors of technical and management education. Established in 2002 with an intake of 240 students and 4 undergraduate BTech programs, we now have over 1,000 students in 6 UG and 4 PG programs duly supported by full-time faculty and staff. We have 5 academic blocks, workshops, hostels, and our infrastructure on a 17.5 acres plot stands out in knowledge parks of Greater Noida. We are also building another residential block for students as well as faculty members. Sir, I am pleased to inform you that our biotechnology program has been accredited by the National Board of Accreditation, and since 2008, our students have regularly figured in the university rank holders merit list. In the domain of skills development and research related activity, this is important, I wish to repeat the line all over again. In the domain of skills